Want to know where your leads are coming from? Here is how to track lead sources in Zoho CRM. If this helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more CRM guides. Open your Zoho CRM dashboard, then go to the leads module. Click on any lead to open its full details. Look for the field labeled lead source. This shows where the lead came from, like website, referral, social media, or ads. To customize lead sources, go to Settings, select Modules and Fields, then click Leads. Under Lead Information, find the lead source field and click the Edit icon. Add or remove options based on your business like trade show, cold call, or Google Ads, then click Save. To view overall lead source performance, go back to the Leads module and use the filter or create reports from the Analytics tab. That's how you track and analyze lead sources in Zoho CRM. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart CRM tips.